Okay, let us solve the equation into the simplest form. So we'll still use the bracket number in the bracket to solve the equation. Okay. Solve the equation. Solve the equation into a simplest form. So I would like to point out that when you're multiplying a negative number which is outside the bracket with a negative number inside the bracket, the negative sign will change to a positive sign. Okay, so let's follow, or let's go get the example. Okay, A, we've got to 3x, 3 open bracket, x minus 2, close the bracket, minus 2, open the bracket, 3 minus x, close the bracket. Okay, 3, open the bracket, x minus 2, close the bracket, minus 2, open bracket, 3 minus x. Okay, so is equal to 3 times x to give us 3x, 3 times negative 2 to give us negative 6. Okay, minus 2 multiplied by 3, so minus 6, minus 2 multiplied by minus x to give us positive 2x. As I said, when you're multiplying the negative number outside the bracket with the negative number inside the bracket, the negative sign will change to positive sign. Together, because you are moving to the positive. From minus 2, you are moving to the positive on, remember, the number line. Okay, so simplify it to the simplest form. We collect the like terms. We do what? We collect the like terms. It is like this. Okay, we know we've got 3x, we've got 2x. Same time, we've got minus 6, minus 6, like terms. So is equal to 5x minus 6, which means you are going to the other minus on the number line, so it will be minus 12. This is the final answer for solving equation. Let's forge ahead. Example B. We've got 4 open bracket 2n plus 3, close the bracket, negative 7 open bracket n plus 1, close the bracket. Again, remember, when you are multiplying the negative number outside the bracket with the negative number inside the bracket, the sign will change to positive. Now this time around, with the negative number outside the bracket and then the positive number in the bracket, the positive sign will change to negative. Keep that in mind. Okay, so is equal to 4 times 2n is equal to 8n plus 4 times 3 is equal to 12 minus 7 times n is equal to 7n. 7 times 1, this positive sign will change to negative, so it will be negative 7. Okay, That's the first step. Second step, simplest form, collect the like terms. We have got 8n, we've got minus 7n, and we've got 12, we have got minus 7. So, simplest form is going to give us n, because 1, you cannot write 1n, no. Just write n altogether so far. Now, 12 minus 7 to give us what? To give us positive 5. That is the final answer. Okay, so that's the only point that I wanted to point out. So whenever you are multiplying a negative number out the bracket with a negative number inside the bracket, the negative sign it will change to positive. When you are multiplying the negative number outside the bracket with a positive number inside the bracket, the positive sign will change to negative. So this is how to solve the bracket equations into the simplest form. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and share. Ring the bell notification in order to be notified whenever I upload the new video.